Methane, petrol and coal are fuels. Table 2 shows information about these fuels. We've got methane, petrol and coal. Evaluate the use of the fuels. Use in the information in table 2 and your knowledge. So you've got to use information in table 2 and your knowledge. Okay, because it's an evaluate, I know that is a compare plus conclusion. Okay, so I know the last two bullets here have got to be a conclusion, and it's worth 6 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we're going to have here is we're going to have to say, we can either compare in a sort of normal sense, but because I've got 3 things, I'm going to say one good thing and one bad thing about each. So methane has most energy per gram, but so that's a good thing. It's got most energy per gram and produces least CO2. Okay, so it produces the least CO2, which is good. Petrol, I'm going to say one good thing about petrol. Petrol is petrol has second most energy per gram and produces second most CO2. Okay, what else? I think I know that coal, so things we know about coal, we know it's probably not the best one here because coal has the lowest energy per gram, releases the most CO2, and produces sulfur dioxide. Okay, so some of our own knowledge, sulfur dioxide, which leads to acid rain. Okay, I need to say one other thing about them before I come up with a conclusion. So what I might say there is, well, I haven't talked about the states of liquid yet. Coal is easiest to store as it is solid. Gas is hardest. Okay, as it's liquid. As it's gas. And then the conclusion. So I think gas is best. Gas is best fuel. I think this because it has the most positives and storage is not that hard to do. Okay, so it's got one negative really in it. You can store it. You can't store it very easily, but actually the storage is not that hard. So you're happy that all the other things are okay. Okay, the key bit there is that because it's an evaluate, you're always going to have a conclusion with a reason at the end. Okay, so this bit up here is just to write about what's going on, and if you can add any information that's not in the table, so in this case produces sulfur dioxide, or you might talk about mining it. It's really hard to mine coal. You can find gas at sea and petrol at sea. Yeah, you need to add some extra information that you're not given in the table as well.